So let's do a quick unboxing of this Xbox wireless controller in Shock Blue. And it says it's compatible with the Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, Windows 10, and I've read online Windows 11 as well, Android and iOS. It comes with the controller as well as two AA batteries. On the back here, you can see it's got a hybrid D-pad is what it's saying. It's got a share button on there. It's got the Xbox wireless and Bluetooth button up here for easily pairing and switching devices, as well as textured grips. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, there it is, the Xbox wireless controller in Shock Blue. It's in a really nice blue color there. We'll pull that out. And there's some AA batteries under here. Looks like they're Duracell. It says not for resale on them. And we'll pull this out here. And there's some information pamphlets underneath here. Information on Xbox Game Pass under there as well. And let's go ahead and have a closer look at the controller. So there it is, a really nice blue color. Again, this is the Shock Blue, so blue on the one side. It's white on the back side. And the buttons are a black button with blue lettering in there. Feels really nice on the hands. It's textured right in here, it feels like. So you've got good grip, as well as these buttons here at the top are textured. You've got your connection button there. You've got your share button there. Feels really nice. On the bottom here, you've got a 3.5mm headphone jack, and you've got your USB-C connection here for connecting it at the top. And the batteries, they just go here on the back side. This should pop off. Just like that, and your AA batteries will go right in there. And again, this is the Xbox wireless controller in Shock Blue for your Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, Windows 10, and 11.